What if you could teach a computer to find your favorite toy in a messy room? You can. It's like having a superpower. You can show a computer a picture and say, "Find the cat." And it will. But how does it do that? You're about to find out. Imagine you have a toy box full of different toys, and you want to find a specific one. You can use a computer to help you find it. Think of object detection like a game of I Spy. You know, where someone says, "I spy something blue," and you have to find it. A computer can play this game too. It looks at a picture and says, "I spy something that looks like a cat." But instead of using words, it uses numbers and patterns. You can imagine a computer as a super smart, fast I Spy player. It can find things in pictures that you might miss. So, how does object detection work? It's like a step-by-step process. First, the computer looks at the picture and breaks it down into tiny pieces, like a puzzle. Then, it looks at each piece and says, "Is this a cat, or is this a dog?" If it finds a piece that looks like a cat, it draws a box around it and says, "I found a cat." The computer uses special helpers called neurons to look at the picture and decide what's in it. These neurons are like tiny workers that look at numbers and patterns to make decisions. Let's see an example. Imagine you have a picture of a park with a dog, a cat, and a ball. You want the computer to find the dog. The computer looks at the picture, breaks it down into pieces, and says, "Ah, I see a dog." Then, it draws a box around the dog and says, "I found a dog." You can see how the computer is using object detection to find the dog in the picture. This is like a superpower for computers, and it's used in many real-world applications. So, why is object detection important? It's used in self-driving cars to detect pedestrians and other cars. It's used in surveillance cameras to detect suspicious activity. And it's even used in medical imaging to detect diseases. You can see how object detection is making a big impact in many areas of our lives. It's a powerful tool that helps computers understand the world around them. So, what did we learn? We learned that object detection is like a game of I Spy for computers. We learned that it's a step-by-step process that breaks down pictures into pieces and looks for patterns. And we learned that it's used in many real-world applications, like self-driving cars and medical imaging. You now know the basics of object detection and how it works. This is a fundamental concept in computer vision, and it's used in many exciting applications. Next time, we'll learn how computers can learn from their mistakes and get better at object detection. It's like a superpower for computers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI lessons and fun challenges. You won't want to miss our next lesson, where we'll dive deeper into the world of machine learning and computer vision.